Here at Casper College, we have one focus, and that's you. Your life, your college, your future. In this overview, we're going to give you a bird's eye view of campus, and later we'll actually check out some other buildings you'll see while here. Welcome to Casper College. Our campus has 28 buildings on 200 acres, including a resident hall that houses nearly 500 students, where you will meet new friends and build connections to last a lifetime. Whether you're meeting new friends, participating in one of the 35 clubs or organizations, or having a great time during a campus event, know that Casper College is committed to making sure your life here on campus is full of new experiences and friends. Not only do we care about your social well-being, but your academic success is our priority as well. We have over 140 different degrees and certificates. 86% of our faculty have their master's or PhD, and our average class size is just 13 students. We at Casper College are determined to make sure you have every academic opportunity we can give you to make sure that this is your college experience. Whether you are attending class, building new friendships, or participating in the various clubs and activities, we want you to be successful, future T-Bird. The next 2 years are about giving you the best possible foundation as you prepare for your future. When you graduate from Casper College, know that you will be prepared to handle whatever life is thrown at you. Casper College is here as you take the next step in your life, your college, and your future.